All right, guys, we're finishing up tonight with our second and final 2019 Optic football first off the line. So, the one we did last weekend, not anything noteworthy that we pulled out of that. So, hopefully we can do better on this one. So, every spot, there's 10 total spots in this. Every spot gives you 2 random last name letters. So, Brian W's got 1 spot in this. John H with 1. Marty with 1. Alan M's got 2. James S with 1, and then Jamie has 1 as well. And then I'll close this out with the last 3 spots. William, you got it, man. Congrats. Congrats on that Dak helmet. All right, let's go ahead and randomize the last name letters. So we'll mix this up 5 times. So M is definitely one of the last name letters to get on this because you've got not just Kyler Murray, but I think Mahomes has got autos in this too. Or H for Haskins, Daniel Jones. All right, so every spot gives you 2 random last name letters. Go ahead and randomize this 5 times as well. All right, here we go. So, Alan, you've got M. There you go. So, see if that pays off for you. You've also got S, C, and A. Brian W's got P and W. James has got K and T. Jamie's got Y and D. John H with J and L. Marty's got G and F. And then I've got E, V, R, H, B, and N. So it'd be cool to pull a Haskins out of here. I think Tom Brady's got autos in this too. Definitely would love to see a Kyler out of this. All right. So you got 6 cards total, 2 autos, couple parallels. Remember how they had done these. All right, I think we're good here. All right, so that was just that one. All right, so we've got Ben Benogu for the Colts, so last name B on that. Got a nice Noah Fant, rated rookie, last name F. We've got Stephon Diggs. Last name D there. That will be Jamie. All right, we got a nice Marquise Brown for the Ravens. Rated rookie. That is the stars, purple stars. So 15 out of 25, which is a jersey number. That's a cool one. All right, and then we got our 2 autos. So first we got DeAndre Walker. So last name W, which will be Brian W. So blue parallel on that, number to 75. All right, and then the other auto is going to be a Nasir Adderley. rookie for the Chargers. And that's a purple. It looks blue on the video, but it's a purple. So A on that, and that's going to be Allen. So Allen, we didn't get you the Mahomes or the Kyler Murray, but at least we did pull you an auto, and it's number to 50. So we will get those cards in the mail to you guys tomorrow. So that Marquise Brown may have been the best. I don't even think any of the parallels last weekend we pulled were all that great. So it's definitely boom or bust on this. So we'll get those cards in the mail to you guys tomorrow. Appreciate you helping us close it out. Wish we could have pulled a bigger card out of that.